Hello and welcome to this new video on my channel. Hope you are enjoying all my videos on the channel. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for the new video. This video is about a new feature release on Microsoft Power BI. So let's have a deeper look at that. In today's video, we are going to discuss the enhancement done in July 2025 in the pie and donut visual. So let's jump onto the Power BI release notes of July 2025. I'm here on the Power BI July 2025 feature summary. And if I scroll down further, under the reporting, you will see a new feature, improvements to pie and donut charts. Let me click on that. Now let me read this out. Improvement to pie and donut charts. The Power BI core visual team continue to evolve the visual formatting experience, and the latest update brings exciting enhancements to pie and the donut chart. These improvements align with the recent update to the visuals like bar, column and line, and offering more consistent styling options across the platform. The format pane includes a slices selection where report creators can adjust slice colors, transparency and borders. User can apply setting to all slices or target individual series using the Apply Setting to drop-down. Selecting a specific series allows you to adjust both color and transparency. Selecting all limits you to adjust transparency only. Now you can go to the slicer settings and then you can apply additional option. Additionally, user can modify inner border width of the slicer, even hide inner borders entirely, mirroring the clean look available in the stacked bar and column charts. So you have this border which you can remove, you can match it with the fill color and you can change the transparency. This is the feature. Why don't we go ahead and try this out? So I'll jump onto the Power BI desktop. Here I'm using my Power BI file from the 20-hour master Power BI video, and it uses the sales model. I'm going to start a new page now from the right bottom at this moment. And in this page, I'm going to put a pie visual. And inside this pie visual, I'm going to bring in few fields. And one of the field is item category. And the second one is net from my base measures. My visual is ready. Let me go ahead and experiment out. I will go to the format pane. And inside this one, I will go to the slices, apply setting to all. Then let me go to the color. And I can change the transparency. In one of the previous video, I told you that if you want to change the transparency, don't change it just like this. Go ahead and add a border. So once you add a border and match it with the fill color and make it a little thicker, your transparency start looking much better. Now if I increase the transparency, it will give a little better look. Look at the same thing without border and with border. Now border, I can also increase the transparency, but I'll prefer to have darker border in such cases. Now if you want to hide the inner border, there is an option. The inner border is hidden, only the outer slice have the border. So now let's go back, and instead of series, let's choose category 2. Now for category 2, I can even change the color. We change it to some other color. I change it to black, and then I can play around with the transparency of this. Individually I can do that, and I can further play around with the border, match color or switch off the border. I can switch off the border. So here I don't have any border for category 2. So in this manner you can play around with this new properties with the pie and donut visual. Let me duplicate this and make it now a donut chart for you. Now you can see how donut visual looks like with the same properties. If you want, you can further play around. So why don't you go ahead and try this out, and do let me know what else you want me to cover in this particular series. Keep watching, keep asking questions in comment, press the bell icon so that you can get notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching this particular video. Thank you.